If I want to install the cat high flow jumper in a CanPro, all I do is unscrew the nut off the back of the connector, pull the strain relief seal back, unscrew this barrel back here, and then I'm looking for this little jumper wire. It comes out of the B connector because it's jumpered to the ground, and it's a finer little wire. That's all I'm looking for. And all I care about is that I want to install it into K if it's an XPS, or I want to install it into N as in Nancy if it's an XHP or an XE. In this case, I'm putting it in for an XPS, which is the most common one because that's your standard high flow. All I do is just push it through and I'll feel a little click, and I can look at the front here and look at K, and I can see that it's installed and it's ready to go. Then all I do is just tuck the wires back in here, screw this connector back together, push this seal back into the back of the connector, and then screw this nut back on, and I'm good to go. If you're having trouble getting this to unscrew, you may want to put it, connect it to your machine because the machine's got the mate to it, and it'll lock in, and then I can quickly unscrew it. And that's it.